I've received this wireless keyboard and mouse combo, and I gotta tell you, this is so nice. I absolutely love it. Look at this. It has the raised keys, kind of like the old style typewriters. And I love the sound of it too. It is good quality too. On the bottom, it has the legs here that fold out, and it comes with a battery that goes in here. And then here is the mouse. It has the ball here, and it has the button on the side. And then it also comes with the battery for this. And then here is where you store the USB receiver right here. So that's nice and easy so you don't lose it. And then here is the USB receiver for the keyboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this and show you. So here I am using the keyboard. I absolutely love this. It is comfortable, it's easy to use, the keys are comfortable, and it is really nice. And like I said before, I love the sound. I would highly recommend this. Enjoy.